So my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna make this quick. Welcome back to video number 2 for the informative speech. You have an outline, so that means you have an introduction where you're telling a story that's connected to your topic, followed by your thesis statement. It's three-pronged, it's the thing that you're gonna talk about. Then you have your points, point 1, point 2, point 3, which correspond to each point in the thesis statement. You have a source for one of your points, and we've talked about the conclusion, which we're not talking about. Now, if you haven't already done the first part, if you haven't seen the first video and done the assignment, I'm gonna link to it right there, so you can go watch that now and do that process. If you've already done that though, you're going to do 3 things today. You're going to add some transitional language, you're going to add 2 more sources, and then you're going to practice your introduction. So here's how this works. Let's take transitional language. You have to get us smoothly from each part of your outline to the next. So the thesis statement comes naturally at the end of the introduction, so we don't need to worry about that. But moving from your thesis statement to point 1, you need some kind of transition, and it's simple. You say, first, let's take a look at fandom, how we define it, what it means, and what it means to different people. See what I did there? I just transitioned from one thing to the next and it was pretty smooth. So go ahead and write that into your outline. Just write that transitional phrase. So next, look at the transition between point 1 and point 2. Now that we've defined fandom and we have an understanding of what that is, let's take a look at the benefits of being part of a fan community. So now you're going to go to the transition between 2 and 3 and do the same thing. And that's all you need to do with the transitions. Next, remember how you found a source for one of your points? Now I need you to find one source for each of your other points. They don't have to be great. I'm not looking for great scholarly stuff here. I just need an internet site. And as you develop that information and put it into your speech, you'll practice saying things like, according to StarTrek.com, and then give us the information. But right now, all you need to do is find a source for each of the points that you didn't find last time. Part 3, finally, once you've done that, you've added that to your outline, I need you to stand up and talk to a wall. Find any wall, any corner, find a space where you can actually talk through the introduction. So you're not writing it. You're not writing it word for word. You're just practicing telling that story like you were going to tell it to a friend, but you're going to practice it, right? So that's what you're going to do. Transitional language, 2 more sources, practice your introduction. That's it. 1, 2, 3, go.